Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my favorite way to do chicken legs. So whenever I do chicken legs, I love to marinate in pickle juice. If you haven't tried pickle juice, marinating in pickle juice, when you do chicken, you're going to want to try it. It adds two things. One, it adds some great flavor to your chicken. Two, it's going to act as a brine. So you'll be able to maintain a little bit more moisture in the chicken, and it's going to come out a little bit more juicy. These have been sitting in the pickle juice for about 24 hours now. So we're going to get these boys out. We're going to dry them off, season them, and we're going to get them on the smoker. Prep for these chicken legs, it's going to be pretty simple. One of the biggest keys here is making sure you dry off the skin as much as possible. It gets much moisture off the skin. It's just going to allow the skin to dry up better and create a more crispier skin at the end, which I think we're all after. For seasoning here, I'm using majority salt and pepper, which I like to use for a lot of things. I am throwing on a little bit of Meat Church's Honey Hog Hot, which I always like a little kick on my chicken. But you can use whatever seasoning you like. If you have your own rub, you make your own rub. Or if you have a favorite seasoning, you can use whatever you like. So I'm running the smoker around 185 to 225. We're going to pull these guys off when they hit about 135 to 145 degrees internal temperature. Should take roughly around 2 hours. We're about 2 hours in. Chicken's looking good. We got some good smoke on the chicken. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire up my yakitori, which is a charcoal-based grill, and we're going to finish these chicken legs off with some high heat. Now, if you don't have a charcoal yakitori grill, you can always just take whatever grill you have, smoker, crank it up to the highest temperature, and finish off the chicken that way. Chicken is looking really good. Just make sure you're giving the chicken a nice flip, just so it cooks evenly and doesn't burn. I like pulling the chicken legs off around 180 to 185. Make sure you're giving the chicken a nice 15 to 20 minute rest before you chow down. All right, guys, chicken's done. Chicken checks all 3 boxes for me. It's got a crispy skin, it's got a ton of flavor, and it's super tender. So give this a shot. Let me know what you think with the pickle brine. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.